As cities expand rapidly across the world, managing wastewater has become one of the most critical environmental challenges. Untreated sewage pollutes ecosystems and wastes a valuable resource that could otherwise be reused. To address this challenge, Syntax has developed innovative wastewater treatment technologies, introducing Syntax Advanced MBBR Package STP, a compact and highly efficient solution designed for decentralized domestic wastewater treatment. Syntax Advanced MBBR Package STPs are installed across cities, in hospitals, schools, factories, and residential complexes, delivering clean, reusable water whenever it is needed. The STP is housed inside 100% fiber-reinforced plastic tanks, manufactured using the chop hoop winding process, combining fiberglass with UL-approved isophthalic unsaturated polyester resin. This advanced material of construction provides exceptional durability and long-term structural strength. The FRP tanks are engineered to withstand an overburden of up to 2.2 meters of soil, allowing installation beneath gardens, parking lots, or even roadways. And hence, the tanks can also be installed underground as well as on the ground too. Each tank undergoes stringent vacuum and pressure testing in Syntex's NABL accredited laboratory to ensure leak-proof, corrosion-resistant performance. With a robust tank structure ready, the wastewater treatment process can now begin. The system follows a decentralized approach, treating sewage directly at the source and enabling reuse for landscaping, flushing, gardening, and construction activities. The raw sewage first passes through the Syntax FRP bar screen, removing large solids like plastic and sticks. Water then flows into the FOG chamber, beginning the next stage of purification, where fat, oil, and grease float to the surface, ensuring smooth operation in the subsequent treatment stages. In the solid separation zone, the velocity of sewage is reduced, allowing heavier suspended solids to settle while lighter scum floats to the surface. Under anaerobic conditions, the settled sludge stabilizes, achieving 30 to 40% BOD removal and up to 60% suspended solids removal. Hydraulic retention time in this zone is approximately 7 to 8 hours. After this zone, the wastewater enters into the anoxic zone. In the anoxic zone, anoxic microbes perform denitrification, converting nitrates into nitrites and then to free nitrogen present in the wastewater under low oxygen conditions. HRT in this zone is approximately 3 to 4 hours. After this zone, the wastewater enters in the MBBR aeration zone. Air blowers supply oxygen through a patented coarse aeration system. Floating PP media provides an extended surface area for microorganisms to grow. HRT in this zone is approximately 7 to 8 hours. The aeration zone also features a unique polyethylene cage that ensures no PP media overflows out of the aeration chamber. Microorganisms form a biofilm layer around the media, breaking down organic pollutants present in the wastewater. Healthy microorganisms detach from the media and settle in the final sedimentation zone. This stage contributes 60 to 65% additional BOD removal, making it the heart of the treatment process. Following biological treatment, the influent flows into the final sedimentation stage. In the sedimentation zone, biological solids or MLSS settle at the bottom of the tank, which is pumped back into the solid separation zone as a return sludge to maintain F/M ratio. HRT in this zone is approximately 2 to 3 hours. The secondary treated water moves into the intermediate storage tank, where submersible pumps pump the secondary water to the tertiary treatment plant for further treatment. The tertiary treatment plant consists of a pressure sand filter and activated carbon filter, removing remaining suspended particles, color, and odor. Finally, disinfection ensures further reduction of BOD, after which the water is safe for reuse. The treated water is stored in the treated water tank and distributed safely for reuse in landscaping, toilet flushing, gardening, and industrial applications, maximizing sustainability and resource efficiency. Along with efficient treatment, the system also offers several other advantages. 90 to 95% consistent BOD removal, irrespective of seasonal variations throughout the year. Desludging only once in 12 to 18 months. No sludge drying bed, filter press, or tube settler required. No skilled manpower required. Simple to operate, relocatable and upgradable system design. The system runs from no load to peak load. FRP tanks have 50 plus years lifespan and anti-corrosive properties. 10,000 plus FRP tanks installed by Syntax over 2 decades, ensuring clean cities and lasting water resources with PSTP technology. Syntax, सबसे सेफ हमेशा।